Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. So, doing a little bit of shopping in the pet department. Got some really great coupons here. So, just amping up our bug out bags for the kitties and the puppies. Plus, I got another coupon here that if you spend $25 on certain products, you get another $5 gift card. So I'm already saving up these gift cards. So just trying to find this one product. Can't find it anywhere, but that's okay. So now I want to get some treats for the dogs. So we've got a lot of good coupons here. Plus I have a whole list of stuff that we gotta get. Went to Aldi's yesterday. Got a lot of stuff there, but Aldi's has a lot of good stuff, but they don't have everything. You know what I mean? So we'll most likely be taking a trip today to Winn-Dixie, if you've ever heard of Winn-Dixie. Big Lots. I can't film inside of Big Lots, though. They blast music way too loud in there, and I can actually get in trouble and by YouTube for having background music in my videos, so I can't film in there. But let's see how it works out at Winn-Dixie and see if their music is down low enough. But if not, I won't be filming in there, but at least, I am filming inside of Target. So let's look for the rest of this stuff, okay? Let's see. Dental Life. Jeez, I am not seeing this. No, this is the second thing that I'm not seeing here. Maybe it's somewhere else. Well, if not, there are other things that we need here for the pets, but they're running some really awesome deals here. 15% off of all cat food, dog food, litter. Even though I just had Chewy delivered, I'm always using stuff for them. So, and you can never have enough for your guys. You really can't. Ooh. Made with real pumpkin. Oh, look how cute. You dress your guys up for Halloween? We do. Ooh. Ridley's favorite. Oh my. Pumpkin spice flavored. Yep. Okay. Now let's see. Buy two, get a $5 gift card. But a few of them eat this kind. And same thing with this. So is it buy two of this and buy two of the other one? Or can I get one of these and one of those, since they're both buy two, get a $5 gift card? Well. I don't need cat litter because we just had 80 pounds of cat litter delivered yesterday. We're already good on this stuff. We don't need any of this stuff at all. Well, the coupon for the gift card is spend $25 on Purina. So we'll just get some Purina stuff. They like these ones. These are really good. These ones right here. I highly doubt, well, maybe I did because this is $1.49, but I also have the $2 off coupon. Okay, now I have coupons for Purex. So let's see. This is for, okay. That's only 50 cents off and then $1 off, so I bet you I can just go to another store and see if they're cheaper. Yeah, I don't need any of that stuff. And I don't have the packs, like the pods, so, alright. Okay, toothpaste is next. Okay, Crest toothpaste. Baking soda. Okay. Now I found this coupon. Never heard of this before. So let's go try that out. Anything? I need lids. No. Very scarce. Very scarce. Okay, pasta aisle. Where did that coupon go? Oh no, did it fly off? Shite. I think it flew off. Oh no. Because there it is. I'm not going to go back looking for it. I'm not doing it. Or wait. No, there it is. $1 off of pasta ready. So, alright. Well, I have plenty of penne and rotini at home, so I'll get an elbow. Okay. My favorite part of this store. Clearance. Let's see. Huh. Excuse me. 69 cents. And looky, all of that Reese's. Huh. My. What in the hell? Oh, yeah. Halloween decorations. I was like, what the hell was that sound? Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'm signing off. Alright, I love you. I will see you in the next one. I'm heading to another store. And if I can film in there, I will. Okay? So, cheerio. Bye. Love you.